So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to another video. So guys, it's Easter and I'm about to make a Easter bun. So guys, these are all the ingredients. Guys, before we go through all of that, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Share. It costs nothing to share. So yes guys, here in my bowl I have 3 cups of flour. I have a cup of wine. It's port wine. So if you don't have red label, you can use that wine. Also, I'll be using like 2 tablespoons of rum. You don't have to if you don't want to. And instead of Guinness, I will be using Malta. Guinness is a little bit scarce where I am living, so I am unable to get Guinness or even Dragon, so I'll be using that. Also, I have molasses and I have browning, and I'll be using molasses for taste and browning for color. And I have 1 egg. Here I have 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Here I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and here I have a cup of sugar. So tablespoon of mixed jam. This is strawberry and raspberry jam. Also here is our raisin, and guys, your raisin depends on how much you really like raisin. So I'm not a raisin lover, so here I have like some mixed peel in there. The mixed peel has changed color because it has been soaking for like some months now. So this is the amount I will be adding. You can add more or less depending on how much you like raisin. I have 2 tablespoons of butter which I will be melting. So guys, I'll be adding all my dry ingredients. So that's my salt, cinnamon, and baking powder. Also, I'll be adding my nutmeg. Be combining this. So guys, I have gone ahead of time and sieve my flour. You can combine everything and sieve. So guys, here I'm melting my butter. My flame is on low, so I don't want to be frying this, just melting it. To this for melting purpose, and also I'll be adding my jam. I'll be adding also my vitamalt to this. So guys, I'll be turning off my stove. So guys, I'll be adding my cup of wine to this. The reason is that so that it cools down faster. I'm not feeling any more sugar green in this or even the jam, so I think this is properly melted. So we can now add our dry ingredients. My voice might sound away, guys. It's early in the morning. I am just up and that's my morning voice. I'll be adding my egg to this. Oops. So that's 1 egg. I'll also be adding my flour in small portion. So guys, at this point you want to turn your oven on. Your oven should be at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm using a whisk because I don't want it to get lumpy. So this is butter. just the last amount of the flour. Guys, this smells so good. So guys, at this point I'll be adding my raisin. Also, I'll be adding my browning because I would like it to be a little darker. About a teaspoon. Also, I'll be adding some vanilla. About a teaspoon also. And I'll be adding my vanilla. Be combining everything. And at last minute I'll be adding my rum. Going in with 2 cork full. Guys, this is definitely optional. You don't have to. Also, the rum helps to take away the egg smell. Guys, remember to grease your baking pan. Grease and line your baking pan. So guys, this is it. I'll be adding this in my oven, and I'll be adding some more raisins on the top. So guys, about this time I'll be adding my decoration raisins. So guys, this is about half an hour in. So guys, this is our bun. It's fresh from the oven, and guys, look, soft to the touch. So guys, for my glaze, the only thing I'll be using is some honey, and I'll be brushing this with some honey just to give it that nice sheen that you all come to know and love. Then I will allow this to cool, and then we'll cut into it. So guys, look at the difference. You can see the difference. And I'll do the same with this one. So guys, there you have it. This is our Easter bun. And guys, we serve this up with some cheese. For those who don't know, have it. So these will be set to cool and then we'll cut into them. So guys, this is our bun. It's a bit cool, so I'll be cutting into this. So guys, there you have it. Look at the inside. It's really soft and nice. And we'll be adding some tasty cheese to this. So yes guys, this is our Easter bun. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you do enjoy this video guys, please remember to hit that like button, remember to subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, bye bye.